Hi, ready to get a little smarter? Do you know what this means?
The first definition of amend. Make minor changes in a text in order to make it fairer, more accurate, or more up-to-date. For example, the rule was amended to apply only to non-members. American pronunciation. Amend. Amend. Repeat the word after me. As you repeat the word, keep the definition in mind to train your brain to master it. Amend. Say. Amend. Amend means make minor changes in. Amend. Amend. Practice. Listen to what I say, then pause the video and repeat after me. Train your brain to master this word. Let's begin. The first practice. We seek to amend that document in some minor respects. Now, repeat after me. We seek to amend that document in some minor respects. The second practice. They could amend that document or leave it as is. Now, repeat after me. They could amend that document or leave it as is.
Good job! Now you're way smarter. Subscribe right now and learn another new word every day.